Class 9 children, today we will start the revision of simultaneous linear equations in two variables. So this chapter has got two exercises, 5a and 5b. So today I will discuss 5a and the next video I will discuss on exercise 5b. So let us begin. So here solve means to find the value of unknown variable. So in this question the unknown variables are x and y, and there are two equations. That means we have to find the value of x and y with the help of these two equations. So here is the question: 4x plus 6 by y equal to 15. It is equation 1 because it is perfect equation, because the first position goes to x, second position goes to y, and equal to and then a constant number. So the equation looks perfect. So equation 1. Second one, 6x minus 8 by y equal to 14. Equation 2. So here we have to target either to cancel x or y in case 1, and in the second case we get the value, or if we cancel y then we get the value of x, and then we put the value of x in the equation 1 and we get y. So that way we have to do. So here we begin. Here we are planning to cancel y because y is in fraction form, so it's better to cancel y, and it is in plus and minus also. So to cancel y, here is 6 and here is 8. So LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. That's why 6 4s are 24, 8 3s are 24, because 6 and y's LCM is 24. So LCM of 6 and y is 24. To make 24, we are multiplying 6 with 4 and multiplying 8 with 3. So in that case, after multiplication, 4 4s are 16x, 4 6s are 24, and by y 15 4s are 60. Similarly, 3 into 6 18x, 3 8s are 24 by y, 14 3s are 42. And now here 24 by y plus minus gets cancelled. 16x plus 18x is 34x. 60 plus 42 is 102. So making x alone, 34 comes and divides with 102. So 102 by 34 is 3. So x equal to 3. Now putting the value of x in equation 1. So equation 1 is here. So same equation 1 we write and put the value of x as 3, because x is 3. 4 3s are 12, and 6 by y is same, 15 is same. Now here what we do, 6 by y we make alone because we have to find the value of y. 12 goes that side, it is minus. Now 15 minus 12 is 3. 6 by y equal to 3. Now 3 and y will multiply. So we get 3y, and 6 will multiply with 1. 6 1s are 6. Y equal to 6 by 3. 3 2s are 6. So y is 2. So the required solution, x is 3, y is 2. So one more question let me discuss. Like here, equation 1 is this, equation 2 is this. So we have to find the value of x and y. So here we are planning to cancel x because x is in fraction. So that's why LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. So 4 3s are 12, 3 4s are 12. Because if we make both the x variables same, we can cancel. So to make them equal, we do LCM and we get such way. We have to multiply and we get this result. 3 4s are 12 by x, 3 5s are 15y, 3 7s are 21, and 4 3s are 12 by x, 4 4s are 16y, and 4 5s are 20. But here what happened? Both the numbers are in positive sign. So when both the numbers are equal, but if they are positive, we cannot cancel. So in order to make it minus, that means negative number, we have to do subtracting. Had it been plus and minus automatically by itself, we write adding. But when we are bound to bring minus symbol or plus symbol, that means we want to change the symbol, then we have to do subtracting. So after subtracting, what happens? This plus becomes minus, and this plus becomes minus. Had it been minus here, we would get plus, but here it was plus, so we got minus. And now this got cancelled. 15y minus 16y is minus y, minus 1y, and 21 minus 20 is 1. But we have to find the value of y, so minus goes that side, so y value is minus 1. Putting the value of y in equation 1. Equation 1 is this, same equation 1 we write, 4 by x plus 5 into minus 1, because y value is minus 1, equal to 7. 4 by x minus 5 1s are 5, plus into minus 5 equal to 7. 4x equal to 5 comes this side plus 5. 4 by x equal to 12. 7 plus 5 is 12. So now 12 into x, 12x. 4 ones are 4 because there is 1 below 12. So x equal to 4 by 12. It comes and divides 1 by 3. X value is 1 by 3. So our answer is x equal to 1 by 3 and y was minus 1. Let me discuss one more question, children. Here, this is the equation. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. You might be thinking, sir, why you did not do LCM here? But if we do LCM, our LCM will be x and y. So both the x and y will attach. But here if you see, they are in fraction and x is separate, y also is separate. So in that case, what will happen, children? If it is first position goes to x, second position goes to y, and then a constant number. So that's why this is perfect equation. So need not do LCM. Let us begin. Equation 1, equation 2. So here we can cancel either x or y because both of them are in fraction. So here I have planned to cancel y. So to cancel y, here is 8 and here is 12. We have to do the LCM of 8 and 12. LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. So 8 3s are 24, 12 2s are 24. That way we multiply. So 3 7s are 21 by x, 3 8s are 24 by y, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4 by x, 2 12s are 24 by y, 20 into 2 is 40. As you can see, children, I have made y equal, but they are both plus plus. So to bring negative sign, we have to do subtracting. So by subtracting, what happened? This plus became minus, this plus became minus, this plus became minus. And let me remind you, children, had it been minus, it becomes plus. But all of them were plus, so all of them became minus. Now this got cancelled because plus and minus. Because after getting this minus, this plus has no existence. Now 21 by x minus 4 by x. Fraction number we don't add or subtract directly, we do LCM. And 6 minus 40 is minus 34. So x and x ka LCM is x, and 21 minus 4 will be same, and minus 34. 21 minus 4 is 17 by x equal to minus 34. So here minus 34 into x, minus 34x. 17 ones are 17 because there is 1 below 34. So x equal to 17 by minus 34. 17 ones are 17, 17 twos are 34. And minus is here. Minus 1 by 2 is the value of x. Putting the value of x in equation 1. So that way we write equation 1 because equation 1 you can see is here. And here we put the value of x as 7 by value of x is minus 1 by 2. Double fraction came. One fraction was there and this is the value of x in fraction. Plus 8 by y equal to 2. So that way here what happens, if we do reciprocal, then 7 and divide becomes multiplication, 2 goes up, 1 comes down. So that way I have done here 7 into minus 2 by 1, because division if we do multiplication it changes sign. Plus 8 by y is same, equal to 2, and here 7 2s are minus 14. 1 has no value at the denominator. So 8 by y equal to 2 plus 14, minus 14 came this side, plus 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. 16 into y, 16y. 8 ones are 8. Y equal to 8 by 16. Therefore y equal to 1 by 2. Finally our x is minus 1 by 2, y is 1 by 2. So I have discussed 3 questions, children. Please accordingly you learn some of the questions from your book. Thank you, children.